Law number 2. Never put too much trust in friends. Learn how to use enemies. From Robert Greene's The 48 Laws of Power. Trust and betrayal. This part of the law highlights the idea that even well intentioned friends can sometimes betray your trust, consciously or unconsciously. Your friends may have their interests, ambitions, or insecurities, and these factors can lead them to act against your best interests. Potential consequences. Placing blind trust in friends could make you vulnerable to manipulation, deceit, or exploitation. It can also lead to disappointment, and if they don't meet your expectations. As a result, you should be discerning and cautious in your relationships, even with those you consider close friends. Balance trust and caution. This doesn't mean you should be overly suspicious or cynical in your friendships. It's about maintaining a balance between trust and vigilance, understanding that your friends, like all people, have their own motivations and limitations. Learn how to use your enemies. Strategic enemies. This part of the law suggests that having strategic enemies can be beneficial. Enemies can serve as valuable sources of information, providing different perspectives, keep you on your toes, and, in some cases, even become allies or collaborators. Information and perspective. Enemies may see your weaknesses, mistakes, and vulnerabilities that friends or allies might not notice or be willing to put out. Their criticisms, if constructive, can help you improve. They can also provide you with insights into their strategies and motivations. Allies in disguise. In certain situations, enemies can become allies. For example, a political rival may share common goals on specific issues, and by finding common ground, you can turn a former enemy into a valuable ally. Challenges and growth. Having enemies can challenge you, push you to be more strategic, and promote personal and professional growth. Instead of seeing enemies solely as obstacles, you can view them as opportunities for improvement. In essence, Law 2 emphasizes the importance of being discerning and strategic in your relationships. It encourages you to trust, but not blindly, and to recognize even those you consider enemies can provide valuable insights and opportunities. It's a reminder to balance trust and vigilance and to use the dynamics of both friendship and enmity to advance in various situations, whether in personal or professional life.